Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about subset ratio. What is subset ratio? Subset ratio means the percentage of a distinct value of a field for a particular table compared to all distinct value of that field in the entire data model. We will try to understand this by a simple example. I have created a simple sales table where we have sales date, customer ID, product ID and sales information. I have written only few lines so that we can understand easily. I will load this application and we'll see that there will be only one table named as sales in the data model. When we select customer ID here, and if you see the preview from the bottom, you can see the subset ratio here. It is showing 100%. So what this 100% means? Distinct customer ID present in sales table divided by all distinct customer ID in the entire data model. That means in all other tables. Right now we don't have any other table, so it will be definitely 100%. Let's add one more table, which is a customer table here. We have information of 10 different customers and not all the customers are having sales here. I will reload the application and now we will see that there will be two different tables in data model. One is sales, one is customer. Both are associated by customer ID. If I will select customer ID here and in the preview tab, we can see that the subset ratio is 100%. But when I select customer ID from sales table, we can see the subset ratio is only 50%. So what that means? That means that we have only 50% customer ID, means half customer present in a sales table, means only half of the customers have sales data. How this works? How many customers are there in sales table? We have customer 001, 002, 003, 004 and 005. So we have 5 customers present compared to how many distinct customers in entire data model? It is 10. So 5 divided by 10, that means we have 50% subset ratio for customer ID in sales table. But in customer table, we have all 10 customers present. So it is 100% here. Let's add one more customer here. I will reload the application and now you can see that we have 6 different customers in sales table. So 6 divided by total 10 customers, so it will be 60% subset ratio. You can see it from here. Same way, we can see that product ID, it is 100% subset ratio right now. I will add product information as well. So we have 9 different products. And how many products are present in sales table? How many different distinct product ID present in sales table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the subset ratio is 6 divided by how many total are there? 9. So the subset ratio for product ID in sales table means 6 divided by 9, that is 66.6%. But in a product table, we have all product present, so it is 100%. Let's assume that we have one more table, product group table. So I will add that table here. Now you can see here we have product 10, which is not present here and which is also not present here. Let's reload the application. So now we have altogether 10 different product ID in entire data model. This product ID are also subset of this product ID, but number 10 is additional, which is coming from product group. So altogether we have 10 different product ID. So now the total distinct product ID from the entire data model is 10. So if you see here, in a product table we have 9 distinct product IDs, so 9 divided by 10 means 90%. Here we have only 5 product ID, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10. So 5 divided by 10, it will be 50%. And in sales table we have 6 product ID, so that means 6 divided by 10, so it is 60%. So once again, subset ratio means for any particular field and for particular table, subset ratio means the percentage of all the distinct value of that field in that particular table divided by the distinct value of that particular field into the entire data model. Hope you understand what is the meaning of subset ratio.